start with quick warm-ups. We'll start from bottom to top. Squeeze your fingers in, tight, back to normal, tight, back to normal, tight, back to normal. Stretch your feet towards the ground. 1, up, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Same thing with the other leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep your right leg forward. Sit back. Keep your leg straight. Sit back as far as you can. Toe off the ground. Same with the left leg. Sit back. Toe off the ground. Fold your legs towards back and stretch your thigh. Slightly bend down. Stretch your thigh. Same thing with the other leg. Fold it. Slightly bend down. Stretch your thigh. Hands on your knees. Rotate clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Do it with me. Sit and get up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we'll start with hands. Keep your palm like this. Pull your fingers inside. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Other hand. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Rock your right hand with the left hand. Stretch your shoulder. Other hand, stretch your shoulder. Hold your hand. Stretch your shoulder one more time. Other hand. One more time. Rotate your neck in front of you. Just make half circle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Half circle in the back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make a full circle. 1, 2, 3. Now stand up straight. Rise your heels straight up and raise your hands to the ceiling. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep your hands like this. Now stretch towards your sides. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And in front of you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, so I will demonstrate one quick Surya Namaskar with explanation. Just take a break and watch. On 1, hold your hands. Your thumbs are pressing against your solar plex and hands parallel to the ground. This is Veera Hanuman Sthiti. So, standing position. On 1, inhale, raise your shoulders to the ears, slightly bend back, look up. 2, exhale, look forward while bending, bend from the waist, palms on the ground besides your feet, and if you can, head to the knees. 3, so 3 positions like this. From 2, 3. Take your left leg back, knee on the ground, look up. Your calf muscles and thigh muscles are joined. There is no gap. Press forward, look up, and inhale. 4, Make a plank position. Look in front of you. Just look 3 steps in front of you. Exhale. Punch, knees, chest, forehead. Just hold your breath, retain. Shake. Inhale, stretch forward and come up, look back. Seven. Make a triangle position, chin to the chest, heels completely on the ground, push your shoulders back, look up from the gap in between your feet. 8. Make a position like 3, whichever leg went back on 3, it comes forward. So we took left leg back, now left leg comes forward and it's between your palms. Same thing, press forward, look up. Now, number 2 position, this, number 1.